You know the song. Welcome back po. Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay. Tayo dyan to learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Mine, yours, his. Let's learn possessive determiners in French A1, the déterminant adjective possessive in French. They are very useful and we can use them every day. Okay, are you ready to learn this topic? Le déterminant possessif montre à qui appartient quelque chose. A possessive adjectives show who owns something. You know this. Okay? Ang determinants possessive ay nagpapakita kung kanino ang isang bagay. I-remplace le, la, o le, at pinapalitan po yung lu, la, ele. Are you ready to discover this topic? Let's go! Okay, so we start with the first, with the singulier or singular. Okay? Isa-isa muna nan. One by one. They show who owns something. My, your, yours, his or hers, are, their, or theirs. In French, they agree with the noun, not the owner. Okay? So let's have number one. Je. Je, you know that je is I, me. Je, we use mon. 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 Akin. It's my. My, akin. Mon pour singulier masculin, mais au féminin is ma. Ma, akin, ma. But for pluriel po o plural form is me. Me. M-O-S, okay? So, I will repeat. You, ako. My, it's mine. Me. So, mon, c'est pour masculin. Ma, pour féminin. Et me, pour pluriel. Okay? Ma, mon, ma, me. Next. Tu. Tu is you. Your. Donc, quand c'est tu, c'est ton. T-O-N. Sa'yo. Your. Masculine yun. But po femina is ta. Ta is sa'yo din yun. Your. For one only, but femina. Pambabae. But for plurial is te. T-O-S because there are many. Donc, for you tu, c'est ton pour masculin. Ta, c'est pour féminin. Et te is pluriel. Ton, ta, te. What about il? Il is he. O elle. Elle is she. Pag il is he. His is his. Son. S-O-N. Son. Kanya. Hindi akin. It's not mine. It's not yours. But for him. Him or his. Sa kanya yon. And then, son, masculin. Sa, c'est pour féminin. Et c'est S-O-S pour le pluriel. Ulitin ko. I will repeat. Il is his or him. Son pour masculin. Ça, c'est pour féminin. Et c'est pluriel. Okay? And now we have elle. Elle is she. She is her. Her, sa kanya din yon. Babae. Pang lalaki, son. Sa kanya din. Sa kanyang pambabae, sa. And plurial is se. Il, elle, his or her, son, sa, se. Get it? So I will repeat. Me, my, you, mon, ma, me. Tu is ton, ta, te. Il ou elle, c'est son, sa, se. Okay? Répétez s'il vous plaît. Pag me, you, mon, ma, me. Tu, ton, ta, te. Il, elle, son, sa, se. Ok, bravo. Ok, possessive masculin, you, mon. Possessive féminin, you, ma. Et possessive pluriel, you, me. Comment? How? You, Mon ou my, example. Mon livre, because livre, c'est masculin. C'est à moi, c'est mon livre. My book, ang libro ko, akin. It's mine. Okay? Akin. Next. Example. Mon livre est ici. My book is here. Because it's my book, nandito ang libro ko. It's mine. Okay? Mine. It's mine. Okay? My. And then, mon livre. Parce que mon livre, c'est masculin. Get it? It's yours. It's mine. Hindi sa iyo. Akin lang to. It's mine. Get it? But when you have it's mine again, but it's femina. Example. Du, it's ma. Ma maison. Bahay ko. My house. It's my house. Okay? Ma maison est grande. My house is big. It's my house. It's not yours. So, malaki ang bahay ko. Sa akin lang to. Okay? It's not yours. Donc, ma maison. Next, pluriel. Still me. You is me. Mes amis. My friends. My friends are not your friends. Maybe it's your friends also. Kaibigan ko lang yon. Pero baka hindi mo kaibigan. Si mes amis. Okay? Mes enfants, par exemple. Mga anak ko, my kids. Mes enfants, c'est pas à vous. C'est pas à vous ou c'est pas à toi. Hindi sa'yo. It's mine. So, mes amis arrivent. My friends are coming. So, dumarating ang kaibigan ko. So, get it? Me, my, mon livre, c'est à moi, sa akin, because livre, c'est masculin. Ma maison, parce que c'est à moi, because maison, c'est féminin. Et mes amis, because c'est my friends, so it's not your friends. So, get it? Masculin, je, mon. Féminin, je et ma. Et pluriel, still me, is you et me. Got him? Okay, merci. So let's continue with tu. Tu is you. Okay? Masculin, tu is ton. Féminin of tu is ta. Et pluriel ng tu is te. Okay, example. Tu, ton, it's yours. It's not mine. It's yours. C'est ton sac. Ton sac. Okay? Your bag. It's not my bag. C'est ton sac. C'est à toi. À toi. Okay? À toi, we use that only for the kids, no? Or for your friends, but not with bubwa mo. Not with the old people or your employer. Okay? For the kids, c'est à toi. Okay? C'est ton sac. Okay. Next. Ta sœur. C'est ta sœur, your sister. Okay, it's not my sister, but she's your sister, And then tes enfants, your children, not mine. Tes enfants. Okay, so I repeat. Ton sac, c'est ta sœur, et c'est tes enfants. Okay, let's have an example. Ton sac est grand, parce que sac c'est masculin, donc grand c'est masculin. À toi, parce que sac c'est masculin. Your bag is big. Okay. Next we have, c'est ta sœur. Ta sœur parle. Your sister speaks. It's your sister. It's not mine. Ta sœur, parce que sœur, sister is féminin, babae. So c'est ta sœur. Okay? Quand c'est ton frère, frère is lalaki. C'est ton frère. So we use ton frère. C'est pas ta frère. Because frère, c'est masculin, lalaki. So we use c'est ton frère. Okay? Next. Tes enfants jouent. Your children play. Joue. From the verb jouer. Jouer et les enfants parce que they. Et pluriel, ça, ONT. Tes enfants jouent. OK? On ne prononce pas l'ONT. C'est pas un jouant, hein? Joue. Tes enfants jouent. Because your kids, your children are playing. OK? Get it? So, quand c'est ton frère, c'est à toi, ton sac. Ta sœur ou ta mère, parce que ta mère, c'est féminin. Mère. OK? Et tes enfants ou tes parents. Tes parents because your parents, it's not my parents, it's yours. So, tes parents. Parce que parents, there are two. Mother and father. So, c'est tes parents. Get it? So, ton pour masculin, ta c'est pour féminin et tes c'est pour pluriel. Merci. We are still in singulier singular, okay? Now we will have the il et elle. Il ou elle. Il is son, elle c'est ça, et il et elle, en pluriel, c'est c'est. S-O-S-C, okay? Example. Il is his. Elle is her, okay? Now, son père, his father. Because si son père, sa kanya yun. Sa kanya, tatay niya. It's not my father, it's not your father, but his father. So, son père. Pag tinutukoy mo siya, sa tatay niya yun. Yun ang tatay niya. Sa si son père. Okay, malayo. Hindi mo kaharap. Next, elle is her. Ça veut dire sa mère. Kanyang ina, her mother. Ayun yung nanay niya, her mother. Hindi mo mother. She's not my mother, you're not mother too. So, sa kanya lang yun. Her mother. Okay? Elle, pluriel, is ses livres. Okay? C'est. Because livre, c'est pluriel. Masculine or femina, still we use c'est because it's pluriel. Books. His or her books. Ses livres. Get it? We have an example. Son père travaille. His father works. Nagtatrabaho ang tatay niya, ha? Next, we have sa mère cuisine. Her mother cooks. Nagluluto yung nanay niya. C'est Babu, c'est Patwa, c'est Ael. Next, his books are here. Nandito ang mga books niya. Ses livres sont ici. Okay? Ses livres sont ici. His books are here. Or her books are here. Pwede rin yun. Nandito ang mga libro niya. Okay? Hindi sa'yo, hindi rin akin, sa kanya. Get it? So, il is son, elle is sa, elle is se because it's plural. I hope it's clear po sa ating possessive na du, mon, no? Yung mong niya, tapos ma, at saka me. Tapos, ton, ta, et te. Ils sont, elle, sa, at saka elle, se. Get it? So, please don't forget the possessive. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-comment po, please. Libre, walang bayad. At merci beaucoup. À bientôt ou à demain. Peut-être à demain. See you tomorrow. À demain ou à bientôt. Ciao.